I'm going to take you through a very quick tutorial on how to use your online gallery. When you log into your online gallery, be sure to use the email address and the access code that I supplied to you so that you'll have some admin privileges that we'll go over here. I know the first thing that you're going to want to do is download all of your photos. So you can click on all photos in the corner and then download all. It's going to ask you for a PIN. So first you're going to click enter it, enter your PIN, and then choose standard resolution. When you click on my device, it's going to send you an email with a link to be able to download all the photos. They're not going to actually download right here, right now. So you'll want to watch your email for that. Next, I'm going to show you how to navigate through your photos. Let's go back here to the albums because I've got your photos broken down into different parts of the day. So we can zero in on certain photos. So let's go to album 1 here in this case, and let's start to navigate around. I can see all the photos that are in the album. When I hover over a photo, it gives me options to favorite the photo, download the photo, filter the photo to black and white, hide the photo, and then a shopping cart option. When you click on a photo, it will enlarge, and you'll see that you have the same options down here, including one called label. You can move through the photos individually here, and then clicking on the photo will take it to full screen. Clicking on it takes it back. Now, if you have a photo that you don't want anybody else to see when they log in to view photos, you can hide that photo by clicking here. Now it's going to be hidden from other gallery visitors, but you'll be able to find that photo later. You can also label photos. Let's go to another one, and let's label this photo. We're just going to say that we're interested in this one for an acrylic block. So we're going to label that one as acrylic block. And then we'll scroll through a couple of more photos. And we're going to say, in this case, we are interested in getting a print of this photo. So we're going to click print. You can attach as many labels as you want to each photo. And if you look up at the top of the photo, you'll see the labels that are there. Now the next thing that I'm going to show you how to do is to order items from within your gallery. There are no prices attached to the order. It's simply an order form that gets sent to me so that I know what you're interested in, and then I can get in touch with you, create an invoice, whatever that next step needs to be. Now one of the simple ways to do it, if I'm on a photo and I want that photo, say in this case, I want to be able to print this photo as large as I want. So I'm going to go into digitals, I'm going to upgrade photo to full size, and I'm going to click buy digitals. Now that's loaded into my cart, and I'm going to continue shopping, and I'm going to back out of here. I have an option to also buy photos through the store. By clicking the store, I can go in here to prints and select photos. Let's say I want to get this photo as an 8x10. So now I can click select photos, and up here you can see I can filter. So I can choose photos that I've labeled with print, select that, click next, and now it's letting me add that. So I click add to cart, and now if I were to view my cart, you'll see I've got 2 items in there. Now one more thing within the store are packages. So if I want to order an album, it comes with 40 retouched photos to start with. So I can select that package, and now I can choose the photos that I want simply by clicking this plus, go in over here, select that photo. Click the plus, I can do that with the next photo. Now if I want to have an easier time finding these photos, another way to do that is that I'm going to exit that package builder. I'm going to come in here to album 2, and I'm going to say that I want to label this one as an album photo, and then I come across another one and I want to label this one as an album photo, and I can do that until I have my 40. Then I can exit out of here, go back up to the store, go to Packages, select the album package, and now what I can do is go to All Photos, and I can filter these photos by clicking Favorites, Labeled, and then Album. Now I click the plus sign, add that photo. Click the next plus sign, add the next photo. And I would do that until I've done it all 40 times. Now there are a couple of other items in here as well. In the packages, you've got a matted print set of 10 and a matted print set of 20. So you would follow those same steps to do that. Now that is the basic use of the online gallery. If you have any questions, I'm just a text, a phone call, or an email away. Please let me know how I can help you.